Chimbebe katie Kaunti ya Kisii na boigo Kaunti ya Nyamira nigo kiabage gotegererwa rituko rya rero ase kigambiro kia Nyamira bosibo muna chiebina Justice Mugo Kamau oyoteba buna nigo kiragendere gotegererwa chitariki 5 chomutinyo gocha nigo nonya nabo abaka gotuguterare okugania kurwase gatia bare kurwase Kaunti ya Kisii agyo kugania gotuguterare ekinekyo na thana nigo kirachie kogendera gotegererwa guika goikose guika linga goseri chibulio mweryo ryabeire rikonyoreka na igatia bagaka na baigo abo busakuru ase kiombe kya ABC na ba surveyors nigo barachikwekerana ase kinekyo asogokonya kuganya na enganeyo muriketko ase Kaunti ya Nyamira job manki na roboti uraso bwime
Bosio bumonachi ekina Mugo Kamau nigo chinsemo choboswere na bali baswereire ase kina egatie Kaunti Nyamira na Kisii baikerana ase rituko lya kabere lyogotegererwe kina ekyo.
And I was talking about is that once you set the boundary for the constituencies and the wards, then automatically you have actually
the section 13 also talks the court has original jurisdiction to hear any other matter, any other issue related to land.
That before we started making the
I am just that's my battle, your lordship.
Yes.
He is not a part. Yes. The court was invited him to make those submissions.
Asogosaba wensemo ya Kisii kugania ekineke gotuguterware asengencho bare goteba ekoche yitebwa tinguru gotegera kina bunekyo yatuguterware no munachi ekina
some they are spent. They are spent and
they already
the court does not have jurisdiction.
No, it may have jurisdiction which fall under Article 162(2)(b of the Constitution. It will have discharged its mandate in the suit. In the premises, therefore, the preliminary objection dated 24th May 2023 is hereby dismissed with cause.
Nigoboigo abo bisakuru ase kiombe getenenerete obochorine chimbebe IEBC no musabe ya kurwa sorogongo rwa Nyanza banyarali bagakorokya chimap chikorokya chimbebe gatie Kaunti Nyamira na Kisii.
Or rather the amount of detail represented will be small because of the area being covered. So that's Kisii, and then we have Nyamira. The same areas, we have Nyamira district map. The area of interest is here. The area of interest is here.
Botaria. So we are talking about this area around here. That's, if you looked at the other map, it will show you that there is that configuration here that now belongs to Ichuni sublocation and the other sublocation that in Ichuni ward.
Gatia bagaka kurwa seture tia bagaka bagusi bate bambale no bumanyi igore chimbebe chyo.
Kuna chochote unajua kuhusu hii mpaka? Unajua mahali iko? Iliwekwa na nani? Ilikuwa imewekwa na nani?
Kwanza iliwekwa na mkoroni, ya pili iliwekwa na serikali iko sasa 1963.
Mpaka huko. Sasa hivi hawa watu wanapigana, mbona mtu akaonyesha?
Nilienda mara ya kwanza wakati walipigana vita ya kwanza.
Omonachi ekina Mugo Kamau narwa okona chabune kine kukegendere gotegererwa chitariki 5 chiomotienyi okobwati
that show the boundary within the next 7 days from today. Then we meet here on 6th. The chairman, National Land Commission, and the IEBC CEO or his able representative, Ms. Carol Sambiri.
Se Kaunti Nyamira, gingo reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maang.